7 options of foolishness in old age. Why did I come up with this? Because I respect you, my dear ones. Listen to me carefully, and then we will draw general conclusions. First, foolishness. A line at the store checkout. An elderly person approaches. It doesn't matter if it's an old woman or an old man, and starts looking for money. This could have been done in advance. This is the first foolishness. The second foolishness. A seat on public transport belongs to everyone. Why do you think that just because you are indeed elderly, all the seats should belong to you? The third foolishness. Public ears. What is that? You go to the hairdresser, to the pharmacy, or just sit with someone in nature and start pouring all your negativity into another person's ears. What is this? You can't do that. Next, where do the elderly go around the clock? Why is public transport packed with elderly people during rush hour when everyone is going to and coming back from work? Where are you in such a hurry to? You have absolutely nowhere to go, and yet you create excitement and chaos in public transport. Next. Fifth foolishness. If you have the financial means, you go abroad 5 or 6 times in 1 year. For what? With what purpose? Now, sixth foolishness. Why do you always put your small little things? Glasses, keys, something else, sometimes part of food, in these plastic bags. And then you start rustling those bags to get something out when everyone is either sleeping or just enjoying the silence. This is foolishness. Of course, it is foolishness. And finally, the seventh foolishness. Why do the elderly always criticize the youth? What's the matter? Do you think of yourselves as the standard? Behavior as a standard of beauty or a standard of something else. Times have changed. Why are you doing this? I have listed 7 signs of foolishness in old age for you. Now listen to my advice. Advice number 1. Old age is just a stage of life, and this stage will pass for everyone. As a second piece of advice, if you truly wish to remain in the community of people, then you must consciously, deliberately remove all of your signs of foolishness. Only then will you indeed remain a respected person in the community. Foolishness in old age is inherent to everyone. Not necessarily all 7 signs, but 5 or 6 or even 2 or 3 signs are always present. You may ask me, is this inevitable? No, this can be avoided. On November 5th, my cycle, Academy of Youth, begins, and there we will discuss all the situations related to the emergence of foolishness, the emergence of weakness in the elderly, and so on. Everything related to what I provide. In these lectures, over 18 lectures, I will explain how your brain should rejuvenate. And I provide this information based on what science offers, and I have personally tested each method. Therefore, you trust me, and I respect you and want you to be smart, vibrant, and creatively gifted people until your last breath. I invite you to the Academy of Youth. For more detailed information regarding the prestigious Academy of Youth, please refer to the details provided below this video.